Hello everyone, wishing you lots of joy and success in your passion for rose cultivation. Today, we will go through each step in detail to help your rose cuttings quickly grow strong white roots and sprout lush green shoots in just about 10 days of care. First, prepare a healthy rose cutting that is of moderate age, free from pests, diseases, or damage. Choose medium-sized branches as these retain water better and are more likely to develop new roots than overly young or old branches. Then, using a sharp knife or scissors, trim the rose stem to about 15 centimeters in length. Next, remove all leaves, thorns, and any damaged petals remaining on the stem. Removing leaves and thorns will help reduce water loss, allowing the stem to concentrate nutrients on root formation instead of leaf growth. After preparing the stem, lightly apply a small amount of cinnamon powder to the cut area. Cinnamon powder is a natural ingredient with good antifungal and antibacterial properties. Additionally, the essential oils in cinnamon help prevent root rot or infection in newly cut areas, especially in humid environments. After applying cinnamon, let the stem dry naturally for a few minutes to allow the powder to adhere better to the surface. Next, prepare 2 cloves of garlic, peel them, and then grind or crush them thoroughly. Garlic contains allicin, a natural compound known for its strong antibacterial properties, which helps inhibit fungal growth during the cutting process. Add the minced garlic to a clean plastic cup with about 200 milliliters of clean water, stirring well to dissolve the garlic's essence. Then, place the rose cuttings in this solution. Soaking the cuttings in the garlic water helps clean the surface, reduces bacterial adhesion to the cuts, and promotes healthier cuttings in the initial stages. While soaking the rose cuttings, prepare a coffee solution. Add about 3 teaspoons of coffee to a clean glass jar. Then, add 500 milliliters of hot water to the jar, stir well, and close the lid to allow the mixture to cool naturally. Coffee contains many minerals such as potassium and magnesium, along with a small amount of organic nitrogen, which stimulates the biological activity of the cuttings. Additionally, coffee creates a slightly acidic environment, suitable for the formation of new roots in roses. Next, prepare a clean glass jar and a piece of soft foam. Cut the foam to fit the mouth of the glass jar. Once the coffee solution has completely cooled, strain out the grounds to obtain the clear liquid. Next, remove the rose cuttings from the garlic water and add the strained garlic solution to the coffee solution. Stir the mixture well to combine the nutrients. At this point, you will have a natural solution that both helps fight bacteria and provides light nutrition for the cuttings. Fill the jar with the prepared coffee and garlic solution. Then, insert the rose cuttings through the foam and use the foam to seal the jar, ensuring the base of the cuttings is submerged in the solution. The foam helps to hold the cuttings in place, reduces water evaporation, and keeps them stable throughout the rooting process. After completion, place the jar of cuttings in a cool, well-lit place, avoiding direct sunlight. At the same time, avoid strong winds as they will cause the cuttings to lose water quickly, significantly reducing their rooting ability. During the care process, you should check the amount of solution in the jar to ensure that the base of the cuttings is kept consistently moist. After about 10 days, if the temperature and humidity conditions are suitable, you will begin to see small white roots appearing around the base of the cuttings. New roots usually grow quite evenly, are thick and healthy. Not only that, lush green shoots will gradually sprout from the dormant buds on the cuttings, indicating that the cuttings have adapted well to the new environment. This is a very important stage because a healthy root system will determine the long-term growth of the rose bush later on. During the process of propagating roses by cuttings, helping the cuttings root quickly, preventing root rot, and stimulating healthy new shoot growth are always important concerns for many people. These ingredients are not only easy to find, but also contain many natural active ingredients that help fight bacteria, stimulate metabolism, and protect the cuttings during their initial weak stage. Once the roots have developed and stabilized, you can transplant the plant into a larger pot with a loose, well-draining substrate such as clean river sand, coconut fiber, or a well-draining organic soil mixture. Initially, after planting, place the plant in a location with gentle sunlight to allow it to gradually adapt before increasing the light. With proper care, the plant will quickly grow strong, produce many new shoots, and soon form beautiful, vibrant flowers. Hopefully, this simple method will give you another interesting way to propagate roses at home using familiar everyday materials. With a little patience, gentle care, and a stable environment, you can create healthy rose plants with well-developed roots without using many chemical stimulants. Thank you for reading today's sharing. We wish you success with your garden and the pleasure of admiring your lush, vibrant rose bushes blooming beautifully every day.